Hello, welcome everybody. This video will show you how to install the iCS residential energy storage system. Before the installation, please make sure to read the installation manual thoroughly. Prepare the tools for the installation. Please note that the tools and cables necessary for the installation are not provided by the manufacturer. Please wear the safety equipment listed in the installation manual at all times, and refer to the manual for the clearance and installation location. In the box you will find a battery pack, a top plate, an installation manual, a drill template, mounting brackets, stand holders, wall holders, cable connectors, screws, expansion screws and screw anchors. Power cable and internet cable are optionally obtainable and are not included in the packaging. Open the packaging carefully. Remove the cushion foam and pull out the battery pack and stand it upright. Check whether the battery pack has any damage. Loosen the 8 screws on 2 sides of the pack. Remove the cover of the battery pack by pulling it out horizontally. Remove the cover of the internet cable port by loosening the 4 screws at each corner. For floor mounting, install the stand holder. Note that the left and right holder are different, so make sure you install accordingly. Place the drill template on the floor where you wish to install the battery. The printed side should be facing the installer. After making sure that the drill template does not move, please use a pencil to mark holes at A, B, C and D points. Remove the drill template. Drill 4 holes into the wall for M6 screw anchors with a diameter of 8 mm and a depth of at least 65 mm each. Align the 4 stand holders on the pack to the expansion screws and secure them in place. To stack additional battery packs, use a pencil to trace the top of the initial module on the wall. This is the height where the second pack should be. Cut off the bottom part of the drill template. We do not need this for mounting additional modules. Align the drill template according to the pencil mark and drill holes at points A, B, C and D and install the expansion screws. Place the second battery pack on top of the initial pack and secure the stand holders to the expansion screws. To install the battery on the wall, take out the wall holders from the package. Note that the left and right holders are different and the side with the crevice is always facing down. Install the wall holders to the battery pack. Use the drill template to specify where you wish to mount the battery. Use the level to make sure that the drill template is horizontal. After making sure that the drill template will not move, use a pencil to mark the holes from numbers 1 to 10. Remove the drill template. Drill 10 holes into the wall for M6 screw anchors with a diameter of 8 mm and a depth of at least 65 mm each. Place the wall bracket with its flat side towards the wall. Screw the wall brackets onto the wall. When the wall brackets and wall holders are properly secured, lift up the battery pack and secure it on the wall by hooking the wall holders on the wall brackets. For the module that connects to the inverter, turn on the number 4 switch to set it as the master module. For any expansion battery modules, please set them up with a different number and do not repeat. Remove the data cable metal cover from the pack and take off the gland from the cover. Choose a data cable with appropriate diameter and length and get the cover and silica sleeve through the data cable. Fasten the gland through the cable and insert the cable back into the hole on the metal cover and tighten the gland on the cover. Plug the RJ45 connector into the inverter port, and when you have any expansion packs, connect the internet cable between the packs. Close the cover by tightening the 4 screws at the corners and prepare a power cable with appropriate diameter and length, and also the strip ends. Clamp the power cable onto the waterproof cable connector and tighten the connector with the rubber sleeves and gland. Now connect the power cable to the right pole. Keep attention not to confuse the polarity. Orange one is plus, black one is minus. Remove the rubber cover on the pole and use a multimeter in DC mode to make sure that there is no voltage at the pole before connecting. When you only have one module, we suggest you connect the orange pole first and then the black pole. Leave the rubber cover off the used pole attached and organise the cable. Make sure to put the main body cover and tighten the 8 screws on both sides of the module. Close the top plate and tighten the 4 screws at the corners. Now you have finished the installation.